Hello friends, my name is Sanket Marade and today we are discuss about our today's our topic is contentment in Java. So in Java, contentment refers to the practice of the including one classes, that means content of inner class, content of inner class within the another classes, containing class. So this concept enables the creations of complex and modular system by allowing the classes to be composed of the other classes and is encapsulating functionality and promoting the code reuses. So what are the type of containment? So first is static nested classes. That means static nested classes are declared within the another classes using the static keywords, and they are primarily used for groupings related classes and together, and they do not have access to the enclosing class instance variables and methods. Then the next is inner classes. That means non-static or non-static nested classes. That means one inner classes are declared within the another class without the static keywords. They have access to the enclosing classes, instance variables, and the methods they are allowing, and them to interact closely with the containing classes. Then the next is local classes. So the local classes are declared within the methods and a construct or a block of a code, and they have access to locality variables and parameters of the enclosing scope, but their visibility is limited to the scope in which they are defined. Then the next is anonymous classes. So anonymous classes are declared without a name, typically as a part of expressions, and they are often used to creating a one-time instance of the classes interfaces without the need of separated classes definitions. So what are the benefits of the containment? So first is modularity. So in modularity, that means containment promotes modularity by breaking down the complex systems into smaller or more manageable components, and it is allow classes to be organized in hierarchical, facilitating code maintenance and readability. Then the next is encapsulation. So containment enables encapsulations by grouping related functionality together within the single classes, and it helps hide implementation details and expose only the necessary interfaces, and reducing the complexity and improving the maintainability. Then the next is code reusability. That means containment encourage code reuse by allowing the classes to be composed of other classes, and it facilitates the creations of reusable components that can be easily integrated into different parts of an applications. So what is the scoping and access control? So the content classes have access to the members of their content classes. They are allowing them to interact closely within the enclosing scopes, and these are enables fine-grained control over the access levels, and promotes data hiding and encapsulations. So there are some example of the containment that means that's a GUI component. That is in our Java language, in our Java swing of Java FX applications, GUI components like button, labels, and panels are often contained within the container components like frames or windows. And the containment hierarchy allow for the construction of complex user interfaces within nested components. Then the next is the data structure. So data structures such as list, stack, and queue can be implemented using the containment. For example, a linked list can be implemented by containing nodes within each others, where Each nodes contain a reference to the next node in the list. So the next is networking. So in the networking programming, containment is often used to encapsulate networks, protocols, and connections. And, and for instance, our socket class may contain methods for establishing and managing network connections. While higher level protocols classes may contain methods for sending and receiving data over the connections. So I hope this all the information of this today's topic. So thank you.